We're going to head back to the car to carefully drive it round to the mechanics. Car wouldn't start. No word from the mechanic yet, he's not been yet. Hudson's loving the dog. There she is. There she is.
So I never heard from that bloke. He never come to look at the car or nothing.
And so we start the long walk to school. It isn't far though, is it? It only takes me 15 minutes. But we're not walking particularly fast, but we've got plenty of time. Well, that's Lexi dropped off. It's a little bit cold this morning, but not too bad. And now we're going to head back to the car to carefully drive it round to the mechanics. Well, if it's one thing, it's everything, isn't it? We didn't make it to the mechanics. Got Hudson all strapped into the car. Car wouldn't start. So I called the mechanics and he's going to see if we can come round. Hudson's not happy this morning. I think he wanted to walk, but obviously we couldn't walk. Lexi would have been late for school. But yeah, he's going to hopefully pop round sometime this morning to have a look. We're not going... You're hungry? Alright, well, let's get you in your high chair and you can have something to eat. And yeah, hopefully he can fix it. Well, Hudson's now asleep after not too much of a struggle, not as bad as yesterday. And I don't know, I must have tickled him when I put the blanket on him at the end because he was like... and it was really cute. No word from the mechanic yet, he's not been yet. So hopefully he doesn't come now while Hudson's sleeping, you know, typical. Then after that it won't be long till we go and get Lexi, so I don't know what's happening. Maybe after his nap I'll give him a call and say I'm going to be going to pick up my daughter and things, so maybe just leave it till tomorrow. Maybe I'll do that now. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, if he comes now it'll be fairly good because I've not got to worry about Hudson downstairs, but then I've got to worry about Hudson waking up while I'm downstairs, you know? But I don't know, we'll see what happens. But for right now, I'm going to have a sit down. I'm so tired. I've not got any of my caffeine pills because I was going to get them on the way back from the mechanics, but obviously we didn't go to the mechanics. So Adrian did say he'll get me some when he finishes work, but that means I've got to wait till later. And I had a very long day yesterday, lots of stepping. I ended up doing 39,000 steps yesterday. That is ridiculous, and I'm so tired. But I can't nap, I've got things to do while he's asleep. You see the doggy? See the doggy? So we're on our way to pick up Lexi and we're going the long way. Hudson's loving the dog. We're going the long way so that Hudson can have a bit of a walk around the brook. You see the doggy? Should we go see the water? Careful. Come here. Hold on tight. See the ducks.
So I downloaded the Fitbit app and I haven't even looked at it really. Gemma just set it up. I got in and she was like, "Have you synced yet?" I was like, "No." She's like, "Are you going to be one of those guys?" I was like, "Go on then, sync it. I don't care." So yeah, she's gone to rehearsals now. She'll be starting in a couple of minutes. Hudson's just gone down for his sleep. And I still got Lexi here with me. She's come downstairs. There she is. There she is. So she's going to be watching the YouTubes.
He's going to be playing the Xbox.
Yes, he is.
I know him.
Let's see how far you can go from the sofa. Look how small she is. She's so cute. She's so cute. Look how small she is. Look, she's just a head in the background. She's just there's just a head in the background. Yeah. She has to climb on the sofa just to be seen. Sort your hair out.
No.
Look at that face. That looks like a face that's had all of the sausages.
Well, I've just got back from rehearsal and I'm home early, and I can see that Adrian's had a very busy evening on the Xbox. Haven't you, baby?
How much?
He can't hear me, so just say yes.
What am I agreeing to?
Say yes.
What am I agreeing to?
Just say yes.
What are you going to do? You're going to put your feet up?
No. I said you've had a very busy evening on the Xbox, haven't you?
Yes.
Yes. See?
After giving Hudson a bath and putting you to bed.
See? He should have just trusted me and said yes. That it goes to show, doesn't it?
Goodbye then.
Bye. He's put his little ear things back in and he can't hear me anymore.
This is an unusual position.
Yeah.
I'm on this side of the sofa.
Yeah.
So we just watched an episode of S.H.I.E.L.D. And now it's time for bed.
Yes.
That's it, she does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I never heard from that bloke. He never come to look at my car or nothing. So I suppose I'll give him a call in the morning.
And say, yo, what happened?
What's going on?
So, it's been 24 hours.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Walking's good for us. It is.
Okay, I got an itchy nose. So, before I scratch it.
See you in the morning. What were you going to say?
Don't
Alright. Don't forget. Come on.
get magic. Oh, you're so easy to do.
Don't forget to wake up magical.
And happy.